Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So on today's video, what we're doing is we'll be doing and revisiting the ponytail haircut, but this is going to be a hidden ponytail haircut with a butterfly cut. So I've done the hidden ponytail wolf cut. The butterfly cut seems to be popping right now on social media. All of you are wanting it more. I've seen it in the comments. Everyone's saying do more butterflies. Right, scissors in hand. We're going to elevate to a 45-degree angle, which is there from the head, 45 degrees. So the first ponytail is what's going to affect the back of the head. So not only does this cut affect the layers, but it also affects the length. And because it's all over directed forward, we're going to maintain all the length at the back, and it's going to get softer and softer here around the front. So there's our first cut. Now it's quite blunt and there's a lot of hair in there, but don't worry, because we're going to take another section and another section. But you can just put your fingers about 1.5 inches back and just get your scissors right in there and soften off as if you were softening a section in the salon. Like that. There we go. So there's our first ponytail. Let's take her out. Number one. Or for all my Spanish followers, número uno. Or my French, oh, there's our first section. Still lovely and long because of how the hair was pulled all the way forward to the front, over directed. We're maintaining that length. People always say, you're not going to take the wispy ends off. We could do, or we could leave them. You can't see them because the hair is so long. I'll just bring it up so you can see, but I need to then put it back down again. There we go. But see, I really like tapered hair. I think it looks really natural. How you get that sort of soft taper. It doesn't look like extensions. It looks really, really lived in. But we could take off a little bit of length if we want to. Let's get on to the ponytail number two. Now this is where, here it is. Still a bit of that at the back. Look, you see the layers? There. Watch it fall. There. Right. Next ponytail is what's going to give us some more layering and texture. Again, we're going to elevate 45 degrees, but there's not as much hair here now. And with butterfly cuts, they're not as severe as the wolf cut. So I'm not going to be cutting anywhere near here. I'm going to be taking this off, probably another 2 inches. And then I'm going to use the chin as my guide. This hair is so thick. Right. For all the ASMRers out there, are you ready? Oh, right. Another 2 inches off. Now this hair is super dense. So we're going to need to soften off in here. Just going to stand on the stand because the mannequin is just so heavy. I'm going to just deep point cut right in, about 1 inch. Just going to go in, and we just want to be softening off that edge. And why am I elevating? Elevating to get the underneath, but also elevating to create softness. We want to create a bit of softness in there. There we go. There's the next one. Let's take it out. Are you ready to see some butterfly layers appear? I'll just clip that out of the way so you can start to see how it is developing. Let's get her up again. So all of these beautiful butterfly layers that are all happening all through here now. I hope you can see, but absolutely beautiful. You can see through. They're absolutely outrageous. And there's people out there using volumizing shampoo, and this mannequin has got all of this. Look at it. Bloody loads of it. Now this is what's going to affect the front. Are you ready? Final ponytail. Do you like how they all magically appear? Amazing, isn't it? Right. Now we're going to go to the chin. There, yes, yes. Magic. Right, I know where we're going because I'm a professional. Okay. Chin, check twice, cut once. Chin. 45-degree angle. ASMR. Just want to show you that as well because of how soft it looks. Because of all of that texturizing. Right, last one. And now for your favourite bit, the little shake. This is what we do with models. Put your head forward. So look, just going to put our head forward. And we're just going to get under here. And we're going to do our hairdressing thing where we sort of like titivate it. This is going to look so good when you throw your hair back. Throw your head back in a second, all right? You ready? Just, yeah, keep messing it up. I'm going to keep on messing it up. And then what we're going to do is you're going to flip it back and we're going to get the shots. I'm going to get the shots, all right? Can't get nothing done because there's so many parts in this hair. But that is it raw. Let me just zhuzh it up a little bit. Actually, let me just hold it there a second. I'm just going to get a little bit of spray. What I'll do actually, on the next video, I'll show you how I've tonged this and styled it. Because, to be honest, a ponytail haircut I don't need to style it. What I need to style is the ones that are salon. But just so you can see, how do you like it? Looks great. I'll get out of the way so you can see everything. And I know what you're all screaming at now. You want to see the back? There you go. All the layers in there. Yes, granted, I will cut it off because everyone's going to be going, bloody cut them ends off. So, but I am doing a hush haircut after this. So, I don't want to take too much of it off. Right, I'll try and do it backwards. So, and now there'll be people saying, I preferred it with the length. But it's okay. We'll do another. But there we go, guys. All the layer that you want from a butterfly haircut. Something really floaty and big and bouncy, and she loves it. But I hope you can see all that layer and everything that is around the face. I'll turn it that way so you can see. Hang on. There we go. You can see that shortness there, and it all blends beautifully. Reason for, because when you do a normal one ponytail, because it's all brought forward, there's so much coming off the front, not much coming off the back, so you just don't have a connection. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have. Yes, she's got abundance of hair. It'll work on every hair type. Just got to be very careful with how much you're taking off. But your stylist will tell you that. So until next time, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Beautiful.